Hello everyone and welcome to Delft Stack. If you are trying to update your TikTok bio or profile information and suddenly get hit with error 2433, this is a common glitch usually related to cache buildup, network connectivity, or server issues preventing the app from saving your text. I will show you exactly how to troubleshoot and fix this error right now. Let's get started. First, the most common culprit for error 2433 is corrupted temporary data blocking your profile update. Open your TikTok app, tap the three lines in the top right corner of your profile, and select Settings and Privacy. Scroll down, tap Free App Space, and clear your cache. Additionally, ensure your phone's internal storage is not completely full, as TikTok needs a small amount of available memory to process and save profile changes. Next, if clearing the cache did not work, you need to refresh your active login session. Go back to your Settings and Privacy menu, scroll all the way to the bottom, and tap Log Out. Once you are completely signed out, force close the app, turn your smartphone completely off, and then turn it back on. Relaunch TikTok, log back into your account, and try updating your bio again. Finally, if you are still seeing the error, your app might be outdated or struggling with a weak network connection. Switch from Wi-Fi to cellular data, or vice versa, to ensure your internet connection is stable. Then, head to your device's App Store or Google Play Store and ensure TikTok is updated to the newest version. If all else fails, error 2433 can simply mean TikTok's central servers are temporarily down, and you just need to wait a short while before trying again. I hope you found this guide helpful. Please like, share, and subscribe for more technical tutorials. Thanks for watching.